Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video we will see the different uses of cat command in Linux. So many of you might be aware of some uses, but there are few more uses of Linux cat command. So please go through this video. Please watch till the end. We will discuss at least 5 uses of cat command, and these are very beneficial in our day-to-day life. And we will see how to use this. So the first one is view content of file with the help of cat command. So let's say I have a file .txt text file which is demo.txt. So if we want to see what is inside this, so we have to open this like in this way. So as you can see, I have written something in this demo file. So the first method is by clicking on it with the help of GUI, but with the help of terminal also we can see the content without opening it. So the method is you have to just write cat and then name of the file. So let's say demo.txt. You have to write just this and it will open the content here only. Okay, so as you can see, the content of demo.txt is in our console, and it was the same as here also. We can see demo.txt line 1 to 8. So this is very simple. With the help of just one command we will see everything which is inside this file without even opening it. Okay, so this was the first use. And similarly, the second use is if the file content does not fit in terminal window, then what we have to do, we have to use this command. So what this mean? This means that suppose there is a file which is a bit lengthy. So let's say I have this lengthy.txt file. So this is a very long file. Now the problem is, suppose I open this with the help of cat command. Let me clear the screen. Okay, so clear the screen, and there are some more shortcuts which we frequently use in terminal, inside the terminal. So if you are not aware of it, I have made a separate video which will be helpful to you. So please go through it. Okay, so what I was saying, so if the file is a bit lengthy, so let's say I want to view the content of lengthy.txt, hit enter. Now see, means directly we come to the last of the line. This is line 999, and you have to again scroll and scroll. You have to keep on scrolling to go through the content. So this is very problematic. So in that case, suppose the length of the file is very long, what we have to use? We have to use less. You have to write less. So you have to do like this. At first cat lengthy.txt and then give a pipe symbol and then less. So what this will do, let's see. So the moment I hit enter, now you can see it will start from beginning and we'll keep only those lines which will be in our view. Okay, and then with the help of means down arrow, we can keep on scrolling through it. So I think this is a bit simpler. Means it feels like we are getting the view part by part. Okay, and we can keep on scrolling in this way by pressing the down arrow key. And the moment you want to exit this, you have to press Q. Okay, and it will exit. Remember, you have to press Q for this one. You have to press Q to exit. Okay, so this was if the content of the file does not fit in terminal window, you have to use this less keyword. Okay, now the third use of cat command is create file. So I think this might be something new for all of you or some of you. Okay, so how we can create a file with the help of cat command. So let's say I want to create a file. So what we have to do, you have to write this like this. You have to give cat and then this symbol greater than and then name of the file. So let's say I want to name it, suppose you can write QWERTY. Okay, .txt. Okay, so the moment I will hit enter, let's see what happens. Now see, moment I hit enter, it is waiting for our input. So if you want, suppose I want to create a file, so it is saying that you can create a file as well as if you want you can give something as input, means to store in the file. So whatever I will write here, it will be stored into that file. Or if you do not want, you can press Control D. Or if you want to input something in this file, so let's say this is new file. If I have written this, and then to end it, you have to press Control D. And if it is not working, again press it. Okay, so that's all. Now we can go here and we can see if file has been created. Yeah, query.txt. You can open this. Yeah, this is new line. So whatever we were writing there, it has been appended. Okay, so that was the way to create a file using cat command. So make sure to remember this, you have to press Ctrl D in order to exit this. Okay, so that was the third use, and let's move forward. So the next one is view content of file preceding with line number. Okay, so this is a bit beneficial, you can say, or not. So what this will do, this will, let me first run this, then you will understand. Okay, so let me clear the screen. Yeah, so what you have to do, you have to write cat -n and then name of the file. So let's say I want to give demo.txt. Now see, initially the demo file, if you will see, this is line 1, this is line 2, but 1 2 3 4 is not there, preceding number. But in this case there is 1 2 3 4, line number has been added. So that we can do with the help of this command. As you can see, view content of file preceding with line number. So it will add line number in each line, this command. Okay, so suppose there is a large command and you want to keep track of which line number it is having. So no need to give line number one by one. We can directly use this command and it will give the line number itself. Okay, so so let me show you with the help of lengthy also. So the file was lengthy.txt. See, the line number has been added, and we can get by this line number we can get how many lines are there. Okay, so this was another benefit of this command. And the last one is append content of one file to another file. So this is a bit more useful for us. So what it does, it append the content of one file to another file. So suppose there is a file called file2 and there is a file called file1. So whatever the content of the file1 is there, it will be added to file2. So let me show you with the help of example. So we can close all this. Okay, so let's say we have a file demo.txt, and in this case this is up to line number 8, and there is another file which is extra, which is 9 and 10, and I want to add extra to demo.txt. So that we can do with the help of this command. Okay, so let me clear the screen. So you have to write cat and what you want to add. So I want to add extra to where I want to add this to demo.txt and hit enter. Now see, extra will be added to demo. So initially demo was up to line 8. Now it should be up to line 10. So let's open this. Where is, yeah, demo.txt. Yeah, as you can see, this is line 9 and this is line 10. So 9 and 10 has been added successfully. So this was all about this cat command. I hope you understand what I was talking about. So if you still have any doubt, you can write in the comment section. I will answer as soon as possible. So thank you guys, take care.